In a hot kadhai, we add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and add our cleaned and washed prawns. We will fry them until they are tender and keep aside for later. Make sure they do not overcook. In the same oil, add half teaspoon of whole jeera and then add potatoes and ridgegourd, which are cut into medium slices. Fry the vegetables until it starts releasing its juices and then add a finely chopped onion. Once the onions are light brown, add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and keep frying. Add half teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and cook them until the raw smell of the spices leaves. Next we add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli paste to give color to the gravy. We will add couple of green chillies and add 1 cup of water. Cook the vegetables. Add salt to your preference. On reduced flame, cover and cook for 5 minutes. Finally, add the fried prawns from earlier and mix well. And we are done.